Teacher stress drops when students can self-direct using writable surfaces like walls covered in whiteboard paint. Whiteboard-painted walls have increased student engagement and participation. When students arrive in class, sit at their desks and open their notebooks, they tend to fall into the habit of studenting, showing lack of engagement and participation. This can be mitigated by using writable surfaces like whiteboard walls to create a more positive and engaged classroom atmosphere. Reduced mental burden on teachers who use whiteboard-painted walls. Research shows that incorporating non-permanent writing surfaces into the classroom may help lessen some of the pressures associated with K-12 teaching. For example, using whiteboard-painted walls and lapboards in class can positively affect how teachers deliver lesson material. Whiteboard paint is changing teacher roles. In self-directed classrooms featuring writable surfaces like whiteboard walls, teachers stop being the lone providers of wisdom. They become facilitators and guides who direct and sustain students' educational journeys, plan learning experiences, encourage critical thinking, and nurture problem-solving skills while making learners accountable for their education. Large whiteboard walls are responsible for improved teacher well-being. Seeing students actively engaged, collaborating, and taking ownership of their learning can be a rewarding experience that contributes to teacher well-being. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoding.com.